Right then people, well I've decided I'm going to go camping on the Tuono. So when I bought the bike, I kind of bought it with the view that I'll do medium distance tours on it. It's not quite happened yet, but and that's kind of Airbnb-ing and just taking my clothes and stuff. But I thought I've also bought a smaller camping setup just for the odd night or two, and I'm going to take it away. So I'll show you what we've got. So I've got a tent, a tarp for the floor, a little chair, a towel, mat to sleep on, pillow and sleeping bag thing for the pegs. And we're going to put it all on here, which is quite small. So I know you can buy the, is it Touratech or something? There's a plate you can buy, Hepco and Becker, that's it, for the back of the bike, which would be more ideal. But I'm going to try and see if I can get away with it on this. I'm going to pack it up now, just to size everything up. I think if I don't take any clothes, deodorant, food, or anything nice, I can just about get away with it. So, but it's only for the night, so I'm just going to try and saddle everything up first, see if it fits, and then I'm actually going to put the tent up, so I've practiced it, so I'm not frigging around in a field full of people watching. And then put it all back together, because I've noticed when you get these things in the vacuum packed, they fold away very neatly. Once you've taken them out, it's a bugger trying to get them back in. And obviously, you can't just throw it in the boot and do it when you get home. So, yeah, we'll try and saddle up first, and just see what the space is looking like. I'm using the Krager US 30 tail pack, and I've got the R20 backpack. A slightly bigger one would have been better for something like this, but you end up fouling the tail pack anyway. So let's see how we get on. We'll do a dry run. Thought of beak. So there's the tail pack. So start with the tent. Where was I? Yeah, I generally try to buy better quality stuff, because I found over my years of experience that you normally end up having to buy it twice and it breaks and it's shit and stuff like that. So the whole setup that I've got here, it was about between £300 and £400, I think, which is quite reasonable because it'll last me forever. So yeah, we'll try put the heavy stuff in the tail pack, so I've not got a bad back when I get there. So that's the tent. Got a little foldable chair. Towel, mat, pillow. Starting to go out. Pillow, ground sheet. It's pretty impressive, that. Then that all rolls up. Oh, not enough. Just missed just one thing. Maybe that. That's pretty impressive, I think. Most of it's all just gone in one tail pack. So then all I've got now is that, which I'm thinking, rather than putting it in the back, I might actually try and strap that to there. That would be perfect, wouldn't it? And then I've got loads of space. I've got actually more than I thought. I've got space for my clothes and stuff. Got a side stand protector so I don't sink into the grass. Mallet. That's really good. That's better than I thought. So, on that basis, I can put a spare change of clothes and stuff in there, and yeah. Right, so I'm going to try and put the tent up now. I won't bore you with that one. We'll saddle it up, and then we'll get ready to head off in the morning. Right, so we've just had a dry run, put the tent up. It's really intuitive as to what to do. Just going to saddle the bike up now and we'll be ready to head off in the morning. So that's that. I'll go and pack up the bag, and yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. So we'll pick up in the lanes probably on the way there, and yeah, join the fun. Right then, people. Well, we're on the ride, and yeah, having a great day. Just seen a sign over there saying audio surveillance in operation, so I don't know where the sound cameras are, but they'll be bored when they hear this. Anyway, so yeah, the bike is running really well. The whole point of this was to try and understand, you know, can you go touring on a Tuono? And I think after the hour I've just ridden, the answer is technically yes, but ideally not. So, you know, it's a wonderful ride. I am fouling, I've got a Krager backpack on, I'm fouling the tail pack a bit there. So I'm sat, you know, probably fouling it over here. I'm sat further forward, my nuts are getting crushed up against the tank a bit. But, you know, we've got the casuals on, and, you know, we're not going too far. So, one thing I was thinking on the way over, the tyres, so it comes with super coursers as standard. Now the rear, if you look there, it's still quite a decent amount of tread on those, on that one, whereas the front, there's the bumper, I don't know whether you can see. I'm getting close to legal limit there. So normally you get two rears to a front, don't you? But the front's wearing out quicker. Strange. Not sure why that's happening. Anyway, we'll carry on. We're about 17 miles away from where I'm staying in the Yorkshire Dales, and I'm having a fantastic ride, to be honest. Just sensible riding, not doing anything silly. Driving like Miss Daisy, or Mr. Daisy, or non-binary Daisy, or whatever it is now. Oh, yeah, just, and I keep stopping to check the backpack, and it's all, it's all holding on. It's a bit lopsided, but it'll sting with us. Right then. Nice, isn't it? Everyone just enjoying themselves. We're 10 minutes away, 6 miles away. I'm going to abandon it here if that's all right. Oh, you okay? Right then, so just enjoyed a nice drink at the pub. Crazy Suzuki driver in front. So that's one thing, I never drink and, well, and I say never, I don't drink and drive, which is it's one of those when you sometimes go to the bike meets. That's where the guys are having a nice pint and then they off they go. I just think, it's a bit risky. However, I did have a beer then, but I'm staying about 800 yards down this road, so I thought it was acceptable. Well, here we are. Oh, to check in, please call. Okay.
Are you okay? You're checking in?
I am, yeah.
What name is it, please?
Chris Charlton. I'm just trying to find some booking details.
Name, it's fine. Chris Charlton. Just one night, yeah?
Yes, please.
It's here.
Okay, I'll come round.
So we're just here at the moment. You came in this way here.
Okay.
You've got toilets and showers just there.
Okay.
And then there's toilets and showers here and here as well. And you come through here, you can come anywhere in this field.
Just pick somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Prior to this week, midweek. So
nice.
You're okay. The bar seat is open at 6 o'clock tonight and we are showing the football if you are interested in that.
Sure. Do you serve food at all?
We don't know.
Do you have anything in the shop or anything, or?
What are you after?
I'll eat anything, a sandwich or...
We don't have any sandwiches. Tons of beans in the soup.
Oh, okay.
But we don't have any in the way of sandwiches.
Not to worry.
We've
No,
got
it's okay.
crisps and snacks kind of thing in the bar. But
Okay, that'll be fine. Great stuff.
Okay? So head straight through into that big field there and go anywhere you want, really.
Right, nice one. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your week.
Cheers. It was as easy as that. That'll do. So wherever you want, he says. Ooh, adventure bike. Someone I'm going to be talking to later. I've already got my little puck here. Look at that. Right then. So let's get ready to set up camp. Needs adjusting a bit. That's fine now, isn't it? You see how that'll be a bugger getting that back in there. Take a surfboard. That one. That'll do nicely. Can you guess what my favourite colour is? Sleeping bag, inflatable thingy. Should be quite cool, that. If only I had a chair. Hey, short of nothing, boys. So, too many bags. Go. Ho ho ho. Right. Probably got to disassemble that before I go to bed. So just a final clip to sign off. I'm having such a wonderful time. I'm on my own. I've got my phone. I'm on Instagram and watching funny videos of random shit. We're just having a great time. The bike's here looking as beautiful as ever. There's people cooking, there's people walking the dogs, the Dales are there, it's beautiful, the sun's out, it's nearly 8 o'clock. What more could you ask for? So, yeah, thanks for joining me on my little journey today, and catch you on the next video.